Hi there, students. Inter alia. Okay, this is a term that's used to say that this is not the full list. This is one of various different things. Inter alia, inter among, alia, other things. You could reduce it to IA as well. So I'm worried about many things, inter alia, how we are going to pay for all this. So you could give one thing. It's a way of saying, for example. It's a way of indicating that you don't want to explain the whole list. You should take warm clothes with you. Inter alia, thermal socks, thermal underwear, and a very warm hat. Okay, so inter alia, among other things. Yeah, this is one, or these are several of the things that are included in what we are talking about. Inter alia. The police have accused me of dangerous driving and driving under the influence. Yes, but I need to use inter alia. So the police have accused me of various things. Inter alia, driving under the influence and dangerous driving. Okay, so these are giving an example of the things that have come. This research includes in inter alia science, technology, and physics. It also includes other things. He has investment or enormous amount of money invested in various different areas. Inter alia in the pharmaceutical industry and the IT industry. But these are just two examples of it. So inter alia, among those investments. I'm going to call on the help of my friends. Inter alia, one who is a doctor and another who is a nurse, for example. So it's saying that there are other things apart from the one that you mentioned directly. The thieves stole a number of precious items. Inter alia, a beautiful portrait from the 16th century. Okay, so among the things that they had stolen, inter alia, among other things. Okay, he had many different professions during his life. Inter alia, antique dealer and English teacher. So not all, but these are some of them. It's like a way to give examples, to give some examples, or to give some of the things on a list of things, but without mentioning all of them. I think this is a much neater and maybe a more formal way of saying e.g. Yeah, in an essay, very often you want to put e.g. and then 5 or 6 different things, but put inter alia and various different things. Okay, so among the things that I want to talk about many things. Inter alia, your bad behaviour and ways that you are going to improve it, but among other things. Okay, formality, inter alia. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation or in a semi-formal writing. And as I said, this is borrowed from Latin, inter alia or inter alia. Inter, among, and alia or alia, other things. Different things. So inter alia, yeah. So you mentioned something that is a large group. my friends, inter alia, John and Susan. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inter alia.